Hey, Bergsma. Baby, this is Bobby. We're going to see a full one, two.
Driveway right there. I guess you could like pull up and then probably reverse.
Okay.
And then
yeah.
And you check it out.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll meet you over there.
This is my ride. This is like the greatest thing that ever happened to my scooter. Yeah, I got the wide stance.
Yeah.
More stability in the high winds because it gets gusting. This thing right here.
Yeah.
To like everybody who's got a scooter, because once you ride with this, with any kind of a bar in the center that you can get your legs in a wide stance, the safety factor goes like way up. Custom horn. And then I glazed this out because this thing wasn't working, and I bought it. This is like a brand new one, and like when I look down and I'm riding, then I get all wobbly and stuff. And then I noticed for the 2 months that I didn't have a speedometer, that I was riding better than the 5 months that I had one. Yeah, oh yeah. And so it's like I can see, like if I really look for a second, I can see the speed, but otherwise, you know, it's like, no, it's alright.
Yeah, that's hilarious.
Yeah.
How many miles?
Oh, 5,000, under 5,000. Like, yeah, it's got to be like 4,000-ish from brand new. Yeah. This, however much is on here, no, which I can't see right now. Yep, 663 miles plus 4,000 miles.
Yeah, so it's a nice mountain bike.
Yeah, I'm trying to get rid of that too.
What's that? Is it a large?
This, yeah.
How much are you asking for that bad boy?
That's it. I'd take like $200 for it.
Really?
Oh, you know your bikes?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. This thing was like
That's a pretty cherry bike.
Like 3,500 or
Yeah.
42 brand new. Grinder.
Yeah, yeah.
Or that's fine. But you're gonna want to knock off the input brand new brakes on there.
Yeah,
And if you want it, I have a brake kit for it that you can have with it. But the thing is cherry. How's it going? Sorry. Mach-well for it. So this is hardware. Yeah, sorry. I thought that the seat was on there. That's the yeah. It's on top of the on the lift. And so this is over. I have the.
$200 cash, right?
200, yeah. I'm happy to go with somebody who can buy it. I used to ride it up at Makawao Trails.
Yeah, I used to ride Makawao all the time. Makawao and Skyline. I had a demo 9.
That did Skyline. Has to be rebuild disc. I don't know if you want that.
Yeah, tell me you watched his videos. That's how you found him.
Yeah. So I had a problem with, I think it was either the front shock, or it was something to do with the fuel area, the whole engine, and I came across Mitch's video, and it actually helped me with the fix. And I have my other bike, and it's running, and it runs Cherry. I ride it like all around the island on like gnarly dirt roads, like everything. And like this was like 5 months ago, and the thing was like dead in the water, and there was no forums that had the answer. And then I came across your video, and I was like, wait a second, like this sounds like what's going on. And then it turned out, and it worked. Yeah.
Video.
I was like, oh.
Yeah.
Sure.
Think about, I doesn't think about. I'm so weird, really bad patches where I.
At the moment, I think you said.
A little TLC, we'll get it back in.
Yeah, lithium grease is like the Hawaii secret that barely anybody talks about. This